I'm Dwayne Marino from Nassau, and this close or justification is a little bit different in terms of it's one that you can use anytime during the sale. You can actually use it on a sales call, you can use it on handling e-leads, you can use it on the lot during demo drives, and you can use it right in your office or your workstation where you're getting really ready to try to wrap things up and move things forward. And it's called Either Way. And it kind of sounds like this. Mr. Customer, you've got 2.5 years left of payments on your trade. It only works when there's a lien on the trade that they're looking to trade in or get rid of. Let's say 2.5 years of payments left on that vehicle at $575 a month as an example. And the vehicle you're looking to purchase or go ahead with today is $650 a month. Mr. Customer, I don't know if you thought about this, but either way, when you leave here today, or you're buying a car, either way. And they go, what do you mean? And you go, well, you can keep buying your current vehicle at $575 a month for another 2 or 3 years, or you can start buying the brand new one for $650 a month. You can see all the differences between that car and yours. Mr. Customer, because you're already committed to $575 a month in terms of budgeting and all that other stuff in your life, and this one's $650, really, this is just a $75 a month decision. Either way, you're buying a car, but for $75, would you rather start buying this brand new one or keep buying your old one? And with this close, if you use it during the sales kind of process with the customer on the phone, e-lead, or during closing, from that point forward, if you can remember it, you only talk the payment difference all the way through the sale. Wow, what a lot of car for $75 a month. Doesn't that drive great for $75 a month? Wouldn't your wife love for you to come home with this thing? What a great surprise for your anniversary for $75 a month, and you keep talking that payment difference. It's an awesome reframe. It's very true, like all the other closes. None of them are lies, but they can start to see the whole purchase in a completely different way. Excellent close called Either Way. I'll see you on the next one.